Chaffinch. The chaffinch is a common, sparrow-sized finch found in gardens, woodlands, parks, and farmland. They build neat, bowl-shaped nests in trees and shrubs. Preferring to feed on the ground and under hedges, they eat seeds and insects and may visit bird tables. Present year-round, over 6 million pairs breed during summer. Chaffinches are known for their loud, pleasant song. Male and female. Males are brightly colored with blue-gray caps and reddish underparts, while females are more subdued with brownish tones. Scientific name: Fringilla coelebs. Physical appearance: about 5.5 to 6 inches long with white wing bars. Habitat: woodlands, gardens, and parks. Diet: seeds, insects, and fruit. Reproduction: they build cup-shaped nests in trees. Females lay 4 to 5 eggs, and both parents feed the young.